Get gorgeous hair with time to spare.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can.
And faster with Revlon.
Healthy hair begins inside the tool, where professional-grade materials like tourmaline ceramic infuse negative ions into the hair, producing high-caliber, high-shine results. When compared to inexpensive, bargain dryers, the FHI brand's dryer is a powerhouse. As the air is pulled through the high-efficiency motor, the coils and tourmaline ceramic mix with the air, steadily warming and charging it with negative ions that condition and protect the hair. Traditional heat overpowers and boils the moisture out of the hair, leaving dry, damaged cuticles. The tourmaline ceramic heat of an FHI brand's dryer breaks down water molecules into smaller particles to penetrate, allowing the hair to maintain essential.
Hi there, I'm Sarah Williams, T3's brand educator and spokesperson, and I want to invite you to join T3's weekly live streams. You can catch me every Friday right here at 3 p.m. Pacific Time on Amazon Live. Each episode we bring on different guests ranging from award-winning celebrity stylists to everyday women with totally relatable hair challenges. We share tips and tricks as well as fun styling tutorials. Oh, and you can chat directly with me. I'll be there to answer all of your hair tool and hairstyling questions. Don't forget to follow T3 so you get notifications every time T3 goes live here on Amazon, and so you can watch previous live streams. Join me every Friday at 3 p.m. Pacific Time, that's 6 p.m. Eastern Time, right here on Amazon Live to learn more about T3's gorgeous and innovative hair tools. Hey, I'll see you there.